And what's your one favorite feature on the application, or what is one feature that you think will benefit a lot of retail investors who are watching this video?
We have got many interesting features, and in fact, I would not be able to tell one. I will take a liberty to tell few which are relevant to investors as well relevant to the traders. If you are an investor, you are going to get a very good research advisory on the mobile app. That is very interesting for you. If you are a leverage player, where you are little advanced investors, where you want to buy stocks with the leverage, like you pay 25%, 75% is funded by us, uh, and you want to enhance your returns, which requires little more risk management capabilities, then you have got MTF facility, which is called margin trading finance, on our app, which is available to them.
What is MTF in simple terms?
MTF in simple term is, suppose you want to buy a stock worth 1 lakh rupees today. What do? You go and give 1 lakh rupees to a broker and you buy 1 lakh worth of stock. Now you say that I have only 25,000 rupees, but this stocks looks very interesting and exciting to me because I believe in the story. And I have got only 25,000. How can I buy it? So basically you pay 25,000 to broker, you buy stock worth 1 lakh rupees, balance 75,000 broker funds, and on which they charge interest. So it is basically buying a stock with a loan. And interestingly, lot of bank-based brokerages, including us at Kotak Neo, we are able to offer very attractive rate of interest. Like you can borrow as low as 9.75% to buy such stocks. So this is the MTF facility.
Okay. And you were talking about other features also.
Yes. So these are for the investors. And if you are a young investor, then we have also sweetened the offerings in terms of giving a young investor a very attractive pricing. If you are under 30, are you, Kaushal?
Yeah. I'm 26.
Then I am sure that one of the best offering that we have put on Kotak Neo is trade free youth plan.
Oh.
When you come on Kotak Neo, you get zero brokerage offering on deliveries, and you get 10 rupees per order on derivative and trading, which is again, you can say, half of what most of the digital players are offering. So this is one of the best plans for the young investor that we offer. We have recently launched a section called Kotak Stock Sala, and in which we are offering fundamental and advanced technical courses to young investors who wants to start from basic to the advanced Greeks of options. All these courses are made available on that, and that is made completely free. So basically, the way we want to look at it is that if youth were to start investment journey in Kotak, they should be able to get good pricing, they should be able to get good support in terms of research, and they should be able to also learn as they invest. So all this capability we have built in for the youth, and this is available only if you are below the age of 30. That's the reason I asked you, if you are below age of the 30, you have got one of the best deals available here. There are a lot of trader facing features that we have built, and I can go on and go on, but some of the very interesting features which have come. See, what is interesting for a trader? What does a trader look at it? Of course, trader looks at speed of execution. It should be fast. That of course it is available. But what are the other tools available for him to be able to take decision faster, manage his risk better? So we have got one feature called strategy bot, where as a derivative trader, you can place multi-legged orders in one click. For example, you want to create a straddle or a strangle, and you want to put 4-leg order. You don't have to keep on placing 4 orders separately, because when you do that, you lose some time and there is some slippage. Here, technically, you can go to that strategy bot, put that I want to do this straddle at 50 rupees. And all 4 legs of the orders will get executed when all 4 legs are culminating into 50 rupees as a payoff. So this is one interesting thing where you are able to put 4-leg order with the final outcome that you want to have. Second, you can put a stop loss here, that I want to exit this entire straddle if my loss exceeds this much. So that is another thing that we have built. And third thing is that we have put a global exit. Suppose you have created 4 or 5 various straddles and strangles, and multiple strategies are going on. And at that time, you want to say that I want to just exit all the strategy. if my total profit or loss is this much. It is called global exit. That also you can specify and all position will get exited there. Suppose you think you are little bit addicted to trading, or you want to pause, or you want to say that okay, today I have made this much money, I don't want to trade any further. You can use our kill switch offer, where you just switch the enable the kill switch. For the day you will not be able to trade. It is like just to restrict you, from addicting behavior. Another interesting thing is trade from chart. Today the way it works is that if you are reading chart and you are trading, you have two screens. On chart you will see these are the triggers, then you go to another screen and you place a trade. Here we have put a trade from chart where you can just simply in the chart itself you can do buy and sell. So a lot of interesting features for the traders are also built on the Kotak Neo platform.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.